Okay, so this is how to save a file to OneDrive. You do not have to turn anything in. You do not have to send me a screenshot of you doing it correctly at this point. I will request a screenshot of all of the files that you do at the end of the quarter. Okay, so this I'm just showing you how to do it. So you're going to go to your SSO and you're going to click on Office 365. You can say yes or no, it is up to you. Once it opens, over here on the left-hand side, you should see all of your apps that you can do, that you can use. And we are going to, for this one, we used Outlook for email, but for this one, we're going to the one that looks like the cloud, which is OneDrive. In here, we have already set up an Intro to Computer Apps folder. So if you click on it, and inside it, you should have had a quarter one and an images one. So we're going to go ahead and click on quarter one, and you shouldn't have any in there. Now, what you need to do is up here across the top, you see this top toolbar, you go to Upload File. It is only a single file. I do not want a whole folder. And if you remember, I saved mine on the desktop, but basically you need to go over here and you need to find wherever it is that you saved your picture. So you're going to go to the desktop, or you're going to go to wherever yours is. Mine was on the desktop, and I named it Week 5 Assignment 2, and then I clicked Open. Okay, so there it is. If I want to just double check that it's there, if I go across the top here, do you see this? If you go here, you can make it look like tiles, just like the beginning of your SSO, and then you can just see a thumbnail of what you uploaded. Please do not send me a screenshot of you doing this. Okay, this is for later.